Okay, this is the second video, LB-200MW with Okuma bar feed, and my service tech actually figured out how to jog the bar feed in manual just to show you that everything's functional. So go ahead, Josh. Oh. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Thanks a lot, Josh. Okay, now we'll jog these. I'm going to turn the feed rate up. Here's Z. X. W. Alright. And turn indexes. Alright, we'll do the main spindle here first. Oh, typo, sorry. Okay, just to show you that it's not currently turning, there you go. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. These spindle bearings are brand new, so. Alright, we're going to stop that. And then we'll go change to the sub spindle. Okay, there's the sub. And there's 1,000. Here's 2,000 RPM. Okay. There you go. Oh, hang on. Take it out of sub mode first, and we'll go M110. Alright, back in jog, and then you can see the spindle C-axis turning. And we can do it in jog handle and small pulses. I think that's about everything, and you saw the tooling on the last video. I hope that gives you everything you need.